Hello, everyone, and welcome to Easy Story Studio. Today, we are expanding our vocabulary and learning 38 essential kitchen items that we see every single day. To make sure these words stick, we have a great practice method. You will see the pictures and the spelling of the items on the screen. First, listen to my pronunciation, and then repeat it out loud in the pause that follows. Don't worry, we will go over each word twice to help you really master it. If you are ready, get focused, warm up your voice, and let's get started. Ready? Let's go!
Baking tray. Baking tray. Blender. Blender. Bottle opener. Bottle opener.
Bowl. Bowl.
Can opener. Can opener. Cutting board. Cutting board. Coffee maker. Coffee maker. Colander. Colander. Corkscrew. Corkscrew. Cup. Cup. Dishwasher. Dishwasher. Food processor. Food processor. Fork. Fork. Freezer. Freezer. Glass. Glass. Grater. Grater. Pitcher. Pitcher. Kettle. Kettle. Knife. Knife. Ladle. Ladle. Microwave. Microwave. Mixer. Mixer. Mug. Mug. Oven. Oven. Pan. Pan. Peeler. Peeler. Plate. Plate. Pot. Pot. Refrigerator. Refrigerator. Rolling pin. Rolling pin. Saucepan. Saucepan. Spatula. Spatula. Spoon.
spoon,
Stove. Stove.
teapot, teapot, toaster, toaster,
Tongs. Tongs.
whisk, whisk. Great job today! Congratulations! You just practiced 38 kitchen vocabulary words perfectly. The biggest secret to remembering what you learn in English is repetition. To completely lock these words and their pronunciation into your memory, save this video to your favorites and make sure to watch it again from time to time. Which part of the house or which topic should we cover in our next vocabulary video? Let me know your ideas down in the comments. If you found this practice helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Easy Story Studio so you never miss our new content. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.